Welcome to Bowling Green High School Hallways and Stairs Universal Procedures. We're going to follow the flow of traffic. Sometimes this means you're going one direction. Sometimes this means you're going up a stairwell. Sometimes you're going down a stairwell. When you are in the smaller stairwells, there will be one direction. Please don't go both ways and crash into each other. Now, every once in a while, like the end caps of the new building, you will have a big enough stairwell, we'll have an up and a down. Stay to the right so you don't crash into each other once again, and keep on moving. Please don't congregate by the openings or stairwells, and no canoodling. You know what we mean. In fact, let's stay 6 feet apart all the time. You don't have to push each other out of the way to get 6 feet apart. But as you're coming towards the doorway, maybe you want to be patient and kind and let one of you go in while the other waits. Also, speaking of being kind, let's make sure we're not knocking on the windows and we're using appropriate language in the hallways. And as you walk through the hallways, let's keep our building clean. It's brand new. Thank you for picking up the trash and throwing it in a garbage. During our school day, you can't leave the building, except with direct supervision or if the principal has given you a car pass, so don't just try to walk out the doors because you want to go back to your car. During class time, we're going to stay in class. That's what we're here for, is to learn. And follow the 10 and 10 rule. No bathroom breaks in the first or last 10 minutes. And the bathrooms might get crowded. There'll be a bathroom monitor. You might be asked to wait until another person comes out. And if you desperately need to go, get in line 2 minutes before the bell rings. Thank you for watching. Have a safe school year. Go Purples.